Turning now to a health alert tonight. Whooping cough is up across the country and is now possibly spreading in a South Dakota school. The Harrisburg School District sent an email to parents and students saying, quote, "Your child may have been exposed to whooping cough." The email continues on with recommendations that say to keep your child away from school and activities if they have a cough or health conditions that would be worsened by a cough. It does not detail how many students have been confirmed to have whooping cough. Lastly, parents are encouraged to make sure their students are vaccinated currently.